Good morning, fans of the MtfbwU Star Wars Room Show. I have to go pick up my car, and as I last told you, 'tis the season finale of When Nature Calls. The snow has started to fall. We got good morning frost. Hey, look at this. Notre Dame. That was the high school I went to, folks. Very nice artwork. A shout out to the artist on the MtfbwU Star Wars Room Show. So I'm gonna take this nice walk and trail. Keeps me out of the wind, keeps me out of the cold. It's beautiful. I will take you on this journey as I go get my car. And yeah, season finale. I hope you liked all my Nature Calls videos, straight out of the wild and into your living rooms. Canadian fantasy. I gotta put on my other glove. It's cold! It's cold! -12 we are right now. There's a beautiful sunshine, warm up, the frosty ground. Apparently Toronto got hit with a terrible storm. I'm not too sure. I'll have to do that news update. I'm sure the fake news will be on later today and telling us what's going on in TO. Anyways, let's listen to that. I just made puddles. Puddles in the ice. Ah, birds from the same feather flock together. Oh, oh, geez. Oh, here's some other ice. Ah! Come down here and do a Battle of Endor. I've been watching a lot of diorama people. I just subscribed to 2 people. Awesome displays, very inspiring. So I've begun construction of more stuff for my figures. A few more customs, put out the custom video this morning. Been having problems with my download, it takes forever. Too many people are on my Wi-Fi network, stealing up all my juice. So I am pretty loud out here. So I bet we won't see too much today, but listen to the sounds of the wind. La 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 la, tis the season of the jolly. Gotta be a duck around here somewhere. Ducks fly together. Oh, now I really have a strange feeling to pee. Hi, Shadow. Hello. I'm right through the tree there. Oh, I'm walking right through the tree. Anybody else need a pee? Can take a commercial break. Go for a pee. Yeah. Those who drink from the same water, they all float. Excellent. The rays of sunshine. More trail that way, but my car is this way. Sorry. 10 cents. Recycle, folks. I pick up beer bottles and cans. It'd be funny how much money you make in a ditch. You might get dirty in the ditch, but when you come up, you're squeaky clean. Here comes the money. Money, 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 money. It was just a little repair I got my car into, so I'm not spending a lot of money, but still, every little bit helps. Ooh. Swim edition. There's dinosaurs here. So I'm not going to make this too long because it'll take forever to download. But we're almost there. Alright, fans. I thank you for taking this 6-minute journey with me. I hope you feel out of breath as much as I do. I'm a fat bastard. The weight's coming off. Muscle gain. Wait for my winter edition of gym, where I start my training of physical activity, ready for the big match. Stay tuned. Oh, there's somebody coming out of the wild.